I'm Andrew Huberman, and I'm a professor of neurobiology and ophthalmology at Stanford School of Medicine. Today, we are discussing hair. Hair is a topic that occupies the minds of many people. There are people that are losing their hair and want to halt or reverse that loss of hair. And today, we will talk about all the ways that science has taught us we can slow or even reverse hair loss. Okay, so we're really focusing right now on treatments that relate to the critical requirement for hair stem cells to receive blood flow in order to receive oxygen and nutrients to get the hair to grow. There are many accelerators on hair growth, but the first one that I really want to underscore is blood flow itself, which equates to the delivery of nutrients and oxygen. This is very important, and it explains a lot of the treatments for halting and reversing hair loss. It tells you that blood flow and delivery of oxygen and other nutrients from the blood is pretty critical, if not very critical, for the support of the hair growth cycle itself. The whole rationale there is that you're trying to increase blood flow to the stem cell and the melanocyte populations that support the hairs and that actually create the hairs. And nowadays, there are more and more doctors who are familiar with this requirement for blood flow. Here, we're just talking about a mechanical change, allow more blood flow to the region and thereby extend the anagen phase. Massaging of the scalp is really designed to increase blood flow to the scalp in order to relieve tension of the scalp. It's decreasing the squinting, if you will, or the tensile nature of the scalp skin so that more blood flow can arrive at that stem cell follicle area. So as you're probably starting to realize, there's a relationship between mechanical stimulation of the follicle and blood flow, both of which turn out to be critical for maintaining hair and for stimulating hair growth.
Scalp massages just got a whole lot easier with HairGuard's hands-free and fully automated scalp massager. All you have to do is place the headset on your head and adjust the dial at the back so that it fits comfortably. After that, turn on the battery-powered control box and adjust the settings so that the pump inflates the right amount each time. You can adjust the inflation, hold, and deflation times. This allows you to get a scalp massage that's just the right pressure and speed for your liking. Then you can save the settings, so it's all ready to go for your next session. As the massager inflates, it squeezes together the entire top of the scalp. This pinching and squeezing effect is the powerful massage that your scalp and hair loves to receive. Once your scalp is pinched and squeezed together, you can decide how long to hold the squeeze for. Maybe 2 seconds is about right, but you'll find what you like. Then the massager deflates so the cycle can start over again from the beginning. Aside from the pinching and squeezing that takes place across the entire top of the scalp, the massager also helps relax the muscles around the sides of the head with its patent-pending design. By gently pushing inwards and upwards, it relaxes these muscles and makes them more flexible and reduces downward scalp tension. All of this takes place whilst you're relaxing at home, watching your favorite TV show, using your phone, or winding down before bedtime. It's completely automated and hands-free. It's enjoyable, relaxing, and very easy to use. After you've finished your 10-minute session, your scalp will feel amazing, invigorated, and relaxed. Over time, the massages become even more easy, as you'll notice how your scalp actually becomes more flexible and softer in the process. A healthy scalp means healthy hair. And scalp massages are a great way to keep the scalp as healthy as possible. Scalp massages have been an age-old tradition to improve and stimulate hair growth, but up until now, your hands were doing all the hard work. Luckily enough, scalp massages just became 10 times easier, hands-free, and totally relaxing. Thank you for watching and happy massaging.